Xiaomi Sound Pocket is a small portable speaker, very similar to JBL Go, and it's also very similar in audio performance, so it's pretty bass-like focused to give you the impression this small speaker has bass, but it's mostly only upper bass. So another thing that I noticed with this small speaker is that the placements of the buttons and overall layout with the logo and everything, it looks a bit weird. For example, the logo is like placed this, so you think, oh, I can place it like this. No, you have buttons underneath. You think, oh, on the side there's rubber, I can put it on the side. You can, but this is not really meant for. So you also have here buttons and then the speaker moves away. So the real only place to put the speaker on your table is the underside, and then you have the speaker up firing. So that's just really the biggest problem with the speaker. There's no real good placement with the speaker on the table. And like up firing, it's not the greatest solution. So audio performance, again, it's very bass focused tuned, but then mostly upper bass, and it does have some distortion on higher levels. So yeah, let's just go to those samples so you can see it yourself a bit.
But it feels right with you. I'm heavy breathing. Feels like I'm lucid dreaming. I'm not usually the type to rush into the night. This time I can't be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow. Just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow. that you're leaving me. The same thing you said last night. You can't do it peacefully. You won't go without a fight. So when I go, I know you'll follow me.